Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel. In this new video, we want to discuss about mole concepts and Avogadro number and molar volume. Mole concepts, Avogadro number, Avogadro's number and molar volume. Molar volume. So we are making discussions in these three topic in this video. One is mole concepts, mole details about the mole concepts. Second is Avogadro number, and third is molar volume. These three topic are our main discussions topic right now. Now, what is mole? What is mole? Mole is the unit of measuring the amount of substance. One mole means the amount of substance that contain as many particles as particle means ions, atom, molecule, etc. So a mole of substance or one mole of substance means the substance where it contains as many particles as it present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope, the number of particle contains equal to the number of particle content by 1 mole of substance, 1 mole of any substance under STP or NTP. Okay, now what is Avogadro number? Avogadro number is Avogadro constant is a constant factor, and its value is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. It is called Avogadro's number. So 1 mole of substance contains the Avogadro number of molecules. Avogadro's number is represented by the constant Na. So 1 mole of any substance under STP contains Avogadro's number of molecules, ions, or in general particles. 1 mole substance means the substance where Avogadro numbers of particles is present. So 1 mole of any substance under STP or NTP contains the Avogadro number of particles, and this number is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Why we are writing particles here? Because these particles may be an atom, molecule, or ion. Molecule or ion. So therefore in general we write as particles. 1 mole substance means where Avogadro's number of particles are present. So according to Avogadro's law, equal volume of all gases under identical condition of temperature and pressure have same volume. Okay, so from these discussions that equal volume of all gases under identical condition of temperature pressure have equal volume, we get the relation of molar volume. Molar volume according to Avogadro's law, that equal volume of all gases under identical condition of temperature and pressure contains equal volume. Under identical condition of temperature and pressure, equal gases contain equal volume. So from this point, 1 mole equal to 22.4 liter. 1 mole equal to 22.4 liter. It is the molar volume of any gas, molar volume of a gaseous substance under STP and NTP. Okay, so 1 mole of a gaseous substance has a volume of 22.4 liter. It is relation between the molar volume and the mole. Molar volume means the volume of volume of the substance under STP, volume of the gaseous substance under STP, and for 1 mole of substance under STP, its molar volume is 22.4 liter. So we are getting the relation between the molar volume and mole and Avogadro's number. So 1 mole of substance equal to Avogadro number. Avogadro's number, that is Na, and that is equal to 22.4 liter. This is called molar volume. Molar volume, 1 mole of substance equal to the molar volume of 22.4 liter. 22.4 liter of a substance molar volume is equivalent to 1 mole substance. And molecular weight, you know, molecular weight is equal to the molar volume and Avogadro number and 1 mole of substance. So this relation is very important relation for calculations of atom, molecules and number of moles, molecular weight of the substance or weight of the substance, etc. For calculating all this problem, this equation is mainly very important equation, that 1 mole substance contain Avogadro number of atom, ions and molecules, and the volume of the solution is volume of the substance is 22.4 liter, and that is equal to molecular weight. And this is our main discussions. And now the question is where we apply this idea, these concepts. These concepts are applicable to calculate the number of molecules, number of atoms, number of ions present in a particular gram or particular amount of substance, of any substance. Okay, this equation. So mole related problem, number of molecules related problem, molecular weight related problem are solved by this formula. 1 mole of substance equal to Avogadro number equal to 22.4 liter equal to molecular weight. From this formula you can solve mole concept based all problems, and volume and mole concept based problem. Here you have to make a relation, and after making the relation you apply the unitary method to solve your problem. Unitary method can be applied after getting a main statement from this formula, and then we can solve the mole concepts related or number of atoms related or weight of substance related problem from these concepts. We are now looking one example to solve one example by this formula. Suppose we have to calculate number of molecules present in number of molecules present in 32 gram of water. 32 gram of water. We have to calculate the number of molecules of water present in 32 gram you can take it 36 gram, because of calculation make easy calculation. So number of molecules that are present in 36 gram of water. This is our question, and we know that water having the molecular weight of 18 gram, it is the MW. molecular weight of water is equal to 18 gram, and we know that 18 gram equal to our Avogadro number, means in 18 gram of the water substance Avogadro number of molecules are present. So we have to calculate the number of molecules present in 36 gram of water. So our main basis is becoming this one: 18 gram of water contain Avogadro number of molecules. So 1 gram of water equal to Avogadro number by 18, and we have to calculate the 36 gram of water molecules. 36 gram. So 36 gram of water contains Avogadro number into 36 by 18. So this one 2 into Na molecules, means 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. These molecules are present in 36 gram of H2O. So you understand this calculation. This is an applications of mole concepts and Avogadro number relations. Now next, our next problem is based on molar volume. Suppose 36 gram of water equal to how much volume, molar volume. What is the volume under STP? We have to calculate. We know that 18 gram of water equal to 22.4 liter. It is the molar volume of means molecular weight, means molecular weight amount of water having the volume of 22.4 liter. So 1 gram of water means 22.4 by 18 liter, and we need to calculate that 36 gram of water means 22.4 by 18 into 36 liter. This is our calculation. So previous problem we are relating the number of molecules with the amount of substance, and now number of weight of water with volume of water. Okay, now we can also calculate another problem, another type of problem, like mole. 2 mole of water, 2 moles of water equal to weight. What is the weight of water? 2 moles of water weight under STP. We know that 1 mole of water weight equal to molecular weight of water. So we know molecular weight of water is 18 gram. So 1 mole of H2O equal to 18 gram. So our 2 mole equal to 18 into 2 gram, 36 gram. So 1 mole of water means 36 gram of water. So by using these concepts you can solve the number of molecules, number of atoms, ions calculations. I think you like these discussions and you understand these discussions. If you have any question, then you can write the comment section, and I'm making another video for calculation based on the mole concepts, Avogadro number, and I give the link to these descriptions below, that in which you can watch the more problems from this topic, and you can clear your concepts better. Thank you.